A part is a 3D model made up of features. You start this lesson by creating a new part. 1. Click New on the standard toolbar. If this is the first document created by you, the default units and dimensions dialog box appears. A. Under Units, select mmgs, millimeter, gram, second. B. Under Dimension Pattern, select ANSI. C. Click OK. The new SOLIDWORKS document dialog box appears. 2. Click Part. 3. Click OK. A new part window opens. When toolbar buttons have an orange border. For example, you can click on them in the tutorial window so that the corresponding button flash in the SOLIDWORKS window.